This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
Good morning, guys. It is January 18th, 2019. This one here, I gotta go do a burner cleaning on a Riello NTI direct vent type of boiler. So I know it's a Riello. I've been there a few times. She's saying it's tripping out on safety every so often. It's probably been like over a year since I've done the cleaning. So I know it's got a tiger loop on overhead oil line. So I guess she's selling the house. So I gotta get it fixed so it doesn't trip. So I'll go over there and give it a cleaning, check all the filters, change the nozzle, clean the head, make sure it's not all full of soot. And this one has had mice in it in the past. That might be an issue with the mice. I'll try to get you some shots if I can. Yeah, I did put a screen on the bottom there, it's still there. So it shouldn't have any mice in there. Don't see any soot. That's good. Looks like there's a little stain around the floor here. New filter at tank last year. New nozzle, clean burner head. What we'll do is we'll shut it down and open it up, take a look inside and see what it looks like. Has had mice in this thing in the past, but it shouldn't because of the I did put a screen on it. I don't think there's a problem with the oil flow. It's probably just a carbon head. I'm going to take it apart and see if it's how bad it is inside there. Swing it open this way. And I've had to change that before I put that on there because the boiler drain was leaking. I had to add that. There's four bolts I got to take off and I'll swing this door open. Sorry for the light. I mean, it's kind of not the greatest. Greatest light setup here in the world, huh? Yeah, that's a size. I just wanted to open it up and see what it's like inside there. She's fine in there, nice and clean. Not bad. See the carbon on the head? That's probably what the problem is right there. There's that problem. But this is all fine. I mean, this isn't bad in here. You buckle it back up. Clean the head. Change the nozzle. It should be fine. That's what I thought it was, a dirty head. Because it runs for a couple of days and trips out. It's due for a cleaning. You can check the pump filter too. I mean, sometimes that gets dirty. It's only a tiny screen in there. Good to take it apart and check inside, make sure everything's good, you know, it's clean. It's not all full of soot. Because you really can't do a draft test on this thing because it's a forced draft. Some of the other ones I could, you know, do a draft test over the fire, but not this one. This is what a positive draft boiler. Kind of odd. See the carbon on the head, that's what the problem is. CAD cell looks clean. Shitty light in here, man. Real shitty. Bad lighting. Use 1/2 inch to get that off, unless you get the metric sizes. That's definitely the problem right there. See it? Now on riello, there's a screw right here. Let's do the screw. Pull the nozzle right out. Assembly. Let's see, this is all dirty. Carbon. That's the problem right there, the carbon on that head. That's probably a problem right there. We'll change the nozzle out. It's not all black there. If that was black, got a filter issue. So that's a 7560B. Put it right back in the same spot. Well, you got to keep up with these burners. Keep them clean. Keep the heads clean. That shouldn't be an issue. Looks like I dropped the screw. I got the screw. Let's get a couple of screws loose, Mama. He's got a couple of screws loose, Mama. I don't think that pump's that old. I replaced that pump recently. It doesn't trip out all the time. It runs for a day, 2 days, and it trips. It's that head that was carboned up, most likely. It's a little dark and dingy down here. Right back in the spot. I know this guy good. He was went to school with him when I was in the union, and I guess he's selling the house or whatnot. So kind of dealing with the ex-wife with this job, I guess. That should do it. We'll jump out a couple of zones and fire it up and see how it runs. Fire it up, man, Mama. Let's go see how it's running outside. No smoke. That's good. I did hit that drain, that's why that water's there, but feed is not stuck. That's good. The way he did the expansion tanks. Alright, new nozzle, opened up boiler, it's clean. Clean burner head, running clean. That's it. Yeah, last year I did change the filter at the tank. I know I'm getting a good oil flow, I'm not worried about that. I did recently change that pump. A new oil pump and nozzle on 16, so that's not that long ago. And I've been keeping up on this boiler, so I know it's been running clean and lean, no issues. A little carbon on the head is what the problem was.